Hi everyone, it's Lisa and welcome to Make It Monday. Today is week 3 in my series on dynamic duos, and today I'm going to show you 2 projects using the envelope punch board by Stampin' Up. This really cute little favor box is easily made using the punch board. You're going to begin with a piece of designer series paper, double-sided, 6" by 6". And using the scoring tool and the punch board, we're going to start on this side since I want this to be the inside of my box. The very first thing you're going to do is you're going to position this at the 2" mark. The 2" mark has a little notch, as do all the measurements underneath. So you want to make sure that your cardstock or your designer paper is lined up perfectly. And then what you're going to do is you're going to punch and you're going to score. Now I prefer to use this upside down, and you're going to go slowly to feel for the track. Now once that's done, you're going to move over to the 4" mark and you're going to punch and you're going to score again. And you're going to do this on all 4 sides. So again, at the 2" mark, punch, score, slide over to the 4", punch, and score. And we're going to repeat. Now when all 4 sides are done, it's going to look like this. Let me crease on the score line so you get a better idea of where we're going to snip to put the box together. Now that it's all folded, you're going to need to make a slit. So the first slit is going to be here. I'm just following that score line. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And I'm going to turn and do the same thing on these other sides as well. So you're actually going to slit it towards the center of the box. So now these panels are free to come together. And then the long ends will come up. Now the great thing about this is that the box can collapse, or you can actually go ahead and tape it together. I actually taped mine together. You can see here that this end will hold it together. So I put a little bit of adhesive here, right along that score line. Put these up like so, and I just looked and eyed my ends. So this one will be here, and this one will be here. Okay, that'll hold my box together. Same thing on this side. I'm using the 1 1/4" circle punch. I'm going to make a small hole here, and I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And then we're just going to string the ribbon together. Now I've cut about 12 inches of ribbon, and I've chosen this one. It's a pumpkin pie. It's going to be really close to this Tango Tangerine color. But I'm going to go ahead and just tie this up. And that's how I got this one. Then I just made a tag and attached it with a little bit of baker's twine. Now for the dynamic duo. This project was also made with the envelope punch board. You're going to need a 4½ by 4½ square of designer series paper. You're going to start and you're going to punch at the very first line of 1 7/8. Punch and score on all 4 sides, and that will make this little tiny envelope. Now I made the belly band. It's 1" by about 5 1/4, and then I just made the raw ends to the front that I hid with just an embellishment. The reason I love this project is because it holds a business card and it'll hold a small piece of candy. And I love to give these out at craft fairs, and I love to give them out when I'm just visiting people at the bank or the grocery store. It's great advertisement. This is a great product, and it shows today's dynamic duo. I hope you'll join me next week for Make It Monday.